Okay guys, and welcome to this particular video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the gift festival campaign. We are going to be talking about some of the important update, like the ending date for this particular airdrop, what to expect, and actually where you are going to be able to claim your own reward if you are probably among the lucky winners. All right, so everything right here is going to be very short and straight to the point. So right now guys, we're wasting time guys. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please kindly do well to hit that subscription button down below and like this video you're watching right now. Share the video and drop an interesting comment. Let's now get started. All right, so as you all may have known, this game has been an interesting one, and this game was actually introduced to majority of us through the dogs community right here on Telegram, but that's the story for another day. Let's talk about the most important thing right now. So they just announced right here on the Telegram right here saying that they are going to be ending the game, just like the countdown says. They are going to be ending the game tomorrow. You can see right here, they say tomorrow is the last day of the gift festival, and it feels both warm and a little bittersweet at the same time. So there are a lot of things that they say right here, but the most important one right here is that there's going to be what we call live stream tomorrow. So when the live stream goes live, there's going to be a lot of grand new year raffle at 12 hours universal time. So without talking much guys, let me take you now back to the main Telegram bot where we actually play the game, which is right here. Of course right here you can see currently I'm on level 128, but there's one thing that actually shocked me right here, which I'm still wondering how it was possible. Over here I've got a lot of referrals. Let me just allow this to load up completely. Okay, right now you can see I've got a lot of referral. Actually, I don't even know how many they are, but what actually shocked me right here is this person right here with the name Gloria. He's one of my referral not too long ago. I actually even claimed the reward from for referring her or him today, and what surprised me is that this person right here is actually on level 138. Man, that's very massive. I mean, I strongly and I highly give you a thumbs up for that. I mean, you deserve a thumbs up because I don't even know how you did it. So if you're seeing the video right now, thank you so much for being great. Okay, so right now let's talk about the most important thing right here. So coming back right here on the game, you can see right here that the game is actually going to be ending tomorrow. When you click over here, you can see that the countdown says that the game is going to be ending tomorrow. You can see we only have 1 day and 21 minutes left before this game actually ends. And over here you can see that there are a lot of prizes right here that are claimable, but most of them right here are majorly giveaway. All right, so most of them just allow you to participate on giveaway. So personally I have actually participated on 32 giveaway out of 46 giveaway. Just like I said earlier, this game is going to be ending tomorrow. Okay, it's going to be ending tomorrow, and that's a very good news. So if you are seeing this particular video right now and you haven't started, trust me, you still have a chance to get something reasonable out of it. Simply click the link right there on the video description box to get yourself started immediately. Also right here, let's go ahead and discover how we can be able to claim our reward when the game finally ends. Okay, so right now coming over here, when you click over here on how to win, there are some important questions that are very necessary for you to get to know about, so that you won't find anything confusing when the game finally ends tomorrow. Okay, so over here guys, there are a lot of things right here, but I'll just go straight to the most important one right now. And this one says right here, how will the prize draw works? And when you check it out right here, you can see all prize draw you join are displayed on the draw section. All right, so you can see over here on the last part they said after the game end, we will summarize the results and randomly determine winners among all players who met the requirements. Winners will receive an in-game notification and will be able to claim their prizes through the app. All right, so when the game finally ends tomorrow, there is a given time when users are going to be notified that they are among the winners, and when you are notified that you are among the winners, you are only going to be claiming your reward through the app. You are going to be given the button to claim your reward through the app. And over here guys, you can see there are a lot of things right here for us to actually see. You can see, why don't I see the reward for a tax? No, when are the results? Okay, let's check this one out right now. So you can see this is the timeline for everything. You can see the game is actually going to be running until 28th of December. Right now the final prize draw is on the 29th, which I think as tomorrow. Today is already 28th, so the final prize draw is tomorrow, being 29th, and the prize is actually going to be distributed starting from the 31st of December till the January 19th. So if the game ends immediately and you probably don't find where you can claim your reward, then you should just wait, because it is still going to be running until until January 19th. That is when the prize will be, eventually distributed to all the players. So right now, they say right here, exact date will be published in the game and on the official channel. All right, so with all this fact being established right now, you know what to expect and where and when to actually expect them. All right, so if you have participated on this particular airdrop, congratulations, as we wait for the final chance for us to get whatever is going to be giving us tomorrow. All right, so thank you for watching the video. If you find it interesting, do not forget to like and subscribe and drop an interesting comment. Let's now play the game till the end and see what we are going to be earning from this. Remember, over $400,000 is going to be distributed among all the players or people who are randomly chosen, as they already told us. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next update dropping very, very soon.